Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and now I'll chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now that we have chained 12, on the last chain from my hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now that we have created this loop, I'll chain 4. Then right here through this loop I'll make 6 triple crochet. Now we have 7 double crochets in total. It's 4 chain in the beginning of a row plus these 6 triple crochet give us 7 triple crochets in total. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. So now again I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. Here at the end of row 2 we have 4 sets of 7 triple crochets. Now I'll chain 4, then through the 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes our first square. So after we finish our first square, we'll make another square, and after we finish 2 sets of 7 triple crochets, I will chain 2. Now right here through this first square, I insert my hook through this 4 chain loop, then I insert my hook through this 2 chain loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 2, then again through this 12 chain loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. Again, now I will chain 2, then through the second square right here, through this 4 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I'll chain 2, then through that same 12 chain loop right here, I'll make 7 triple crochet. So now to finish this square, I will chain 4. Then through that 4th chain, I will make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So after we continue joining these 2 squares, we'll make a lot more. Let me see here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. For the bottom we have 22 squares. We have 22 for the top, and we have 4 in both of these sides. So see. So right here at the center, we didn't make 3 square because this is going to be a neck area. I'm going to fold my work in half just like this. We're going to leave 3 squares right here, and then we're going to put a stitch marker right here through this loop of the 3rd square, through both of them. This is just going to mark the area. And then we're going to repeat the same thing on the left side. So 1, 2, 3. I'll place the 2nd stitch marker right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to use this yarn in different color. And honestly, I was planning to use a nice stitch for this blouse. Then I thought that it will just get lost with this yarn because this yarn has such a nice print. And it honestly doesn't need much work to make it look nice. Now for the first row, right here, you see how we have 1, 2, 3. So between this loop, between square 3 and 4, right there through that large loop, I insert my hook. Then I insert my hook through my current work and pull through. So right there through that loop, I will chain 3. Then through that same loop, I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 10. Then through this next loop between these squares 3 and 4, I'll make 2 double crochet. So let me just show you here. This is going to be a sleeve area. Now right here through this 4 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 7 triple crochet chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Chain loop right here, I'll make 2 double crochet. For the next 4 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 7 triple crochet chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop, 2 double crochet. Through these next 7 triple crochet chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. So I repeat this until I reach this next stitch marker, which is between the squares 3 and 4. So now that we have reached the second stitch marker, I'll just remove this stitch marker since we have already reached the destination. Now, right here between these squares, 3 and 4, see that loop right here, the larger loop? Well, right through that loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. Now I will chain 10. Again now, I told you guys earlier, this is the sleeve area. So now we need to make 2 double crochets through this square 3 and 4 from the top area. And I'm just opening this so you guys can get a better idea of what I'm doing. So okay, I'm just gonna fold this in half, then right here through this large loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Alright, now through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 7 triple crochet chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Now through this first 4 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 4 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 7 triple crochet chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this 4 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 4 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. So I repeat this until I reach the beginning of this row. Now to finish row 1 right there to the 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes our first row. Now for row 2 I'll chain 3. Then right there to this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now through these 10 chains from our previous row we'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So in every chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now through the next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next double crochet chain 1 double crochet. Through the next double crochet chain 1 double crochet. Through the next double crochet chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until I reach the second 10 chain loop. Through these next 10 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Now through his next double crochet chains, I will make 1 double crochet through each chain again. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until I reach the end of this row. Now to finish row 2, right here through his 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So from now on we have to repeat row 2. So we just continue making 1 double crochet through every chain. So we repeat row 2 until our work measures 21 inches. Now we have the sleeve area right here open. So what I did was I made 3 more of these squares and joined them to both sides of these sleeves to close the loop. And now we have this small opening right here under the arm. So now with the yarn needle I'll close this loop right here. Not all together. You see? So now I'm the center of the square, so I'm just gonna insert my needle right here to the center of our work that we made with double crochets. So we want it to look just like that. Now I'll repeat the same thing for the other sleeve. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.